Careful, Alex.
This is ice cream
Next one is
truck.
number 140.
This is
Harvey
ice cream
Powell.
truck. I want ice
The
cream.
68 Mustang.
The ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Thank you. The ice cream truck. Yeah.
Next one is number 139. Jimmy Cowan. The 71 Mustang. Ronald and Will Lippman with a 65 Mustang. The next one goes number 130, Van Palmer with 2015. Hello, friend. Number 123, Eric Strub with 69 Mustang.
That's a nice one.
Wow.
120, Bob Mackey. Next one is number 118, Ricky Gorman.
You like this car behind you?
Yeah, behind
First
my
one.
back.
Why do you like this car?
Because it have a big engine right
Because it
here.
has big engine
And have a black chair.
and have a black chair. Okay.
And there's no TVs.
And there's no TV, so that's a good thing, yeah? There's no TV.
Next one goes to Jonathan Miller. With 65,000.
Wow.
63 Futura HT.
I don't like that car.
Okay.
You don't like this car?
Because the first one
Next
right
one, number
there.
46, 1980, Ford Fairmount.
Falcon, powered by Ford.
Kenny Phillips.
1963 Ford Falcon.
Fairlane 500 SC.
I wonder why they don't make the red interiors anymore.
I don't know. It's actually nice.
Kenny Phillips
I
there.
don't like that car. Because the red car and the little cars.
Next one, number 23, John Harrison.
Another
Red car.
Ford. Yeah, I like
For a 48 Ford.
Oh, look, there's a dice salad.
That's cool.
That's a weekend gamer.
Yeah.
Next one, number 17, Charles and Annie Short. 63 Ford F100. The next one, number 21.
Alex, do you like the yellow car?
Yeah, you like the red.
Don
yellow.
Hall,
I think this is your style, Alex.
1937
No.
Ford
Look,
Truck.
there are toys inside. Teddy bears are driving.
The GT.
Next one, number
The
37.
S550 Club.
I like that car too.
Which one you like?
This car too.
You like
The
the
red one?
Mustangs.
Yeah, because
Mustang GT.
because a lot of the engines.
Jimmy Weed
Because it has a nice
with
engine.
a Hit 5 Ford
Yeah, there's
custom
a big
line.
engine behind you.
Okay, let me see. That is a big engine.
Next one. Number
I think I like that car.
Yeah.
This is my
Is your favorite? The orange Mustang is Alex's
Actually,
favorite.
we're looking for orange things.
Do you like orange color?
Yeah,
The
but
next one, number 24.
Oh, I
Got
like
doors
it.
going up. Look, Alex.
The Ford Maverick.
This is very cool.
I found something. It is.
The next one.
Look at
Maya
that.
really likes orange.
Best 15 and up. Number 156, Justin Dawson, for 2016.
I like this car.
She's daydreaming. 05 to 14, number 128, Wayne Yardley, for 2005 Mustang.
That's neat. Look at that.
Oh yeah, this
I
one.
think I should put orange.
That's 94 to 105, number 159.
Look at that. I've never seen anything like that.
I
David.
really like this one.
Norton, for 95
54
Mustang.
Ford.
Can I see it, please?
Power.
Daddy, come with me. The orange.
Look at the back.
Look at there.
Ah.
Can I see this? Mommy, look.
Best 79 to 93, number Winston
I guess
Word,
it's somebody that used to be a
92.
police officer.
Chris is right left.
This car is nice.
Yeah. Is that the big tire and the ones the first ring?
Big tires.
Yeah.